Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those consumers who is using Android smartphone of any brand like Vivo, Oppo, Realme. If you're using any brand like Samsung, Motorola, so this video is very useful for you. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can unlock your smartphone. So you can see here this smartphone is locked due to forgotten password lock. You can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten password lock, and I will show you how you can unlock this password without visiting any service center and without expense any money. Okay, so first of all, when you will start this method, firstly you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. So you can see here my phone is charged 85%, so it's enough to use this process to unlock this Android smartphone. Okay, so this method is also known as a data saving method. It means in this method your phone's all the data like photos, videos, and all the document will be remain as it is in your smartphone. Okay, so before starting this method, make sure your phone's sim card should be ejected, or if you're using any sim card, then if is it possible, then make your phone to the airplane mode. Okay, so you can see here I have a switch on my phone's airplane mode. You can see here, so you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten password lock. So firstly you will have to switch off your smartphone. For this, simply you will have to you will have to switch off your phone. So for this, simply you will have to press and hold the power button to switch off your smartphone. Just a minute. Okay, so when your phone's complete switch off, then after you will have to press the power button and the volume up button. Press and hold until you get the logo of your smartphone. So you can see here your phone is now on hard reset mode. So here you will get two options. The first one is showing here reboot, and the second option is showing here a recovery mode. So if you press this reboot option, then your phone will be restart again. So you will have to go to the option that will show here a recovery mode. So here you can see here touch is not working, so simply you will have to use the volume up and down button to go up and down. So you will have to go to the recovery mode, and to select the recovery mode you will have to click to the power button. Then after, a new page will appear on your phone display. So my friend, here you are getting here three options. The first one is showing here install software, the second option is showing here clear data, and the third option is showing here check system. Okay, so you can as you know that this method is known as offline method, so you can't use this install software. So simply you will have to go to the option that will show here clear data. Simply you will have to tap on this. Here you will get two options. The first one is showing here clear cache, and the second one is showing here clear all data. Okay, so you will have to choose the clear cache. If you go to the clear all data, then your phone's all the datas like photos, video will be deleted. So select the clear cache. Okay, here touch will work. Simply you will have to select the clear cache and tap on this OK. Then after, you can see here all the clear cache has been cleared. Then after, you will get a pop-up of return. Simply you will have to click on this return option and go to the back option here. Now after that, you will get two options. The first one is showing here shutdown, and the second one is showing here restart. Here you will have to tap on this shutdown. You don't have to restart. Okay, so simply you will have to tap on this shutdown option and go to the OK. Then after, it will take some times to complete switch off your smartphone. Then after few seconds, you will have to press the power button and switch on your phone. Okay, and this is applicable for any brand like Motorola, Samsung, or any other brand if you're using Techno, Infinix. Okay, so it will take some time, so keep patience. So you can see here the smartphone has been switched on, but still now you can see here pattern lock is also again showing here. So don't worry at all, simply you will have to tap on this emergency option to open your phone's dialing pad. Now here you will have to type two USSD code, which is most important to unlock your smartphone. The first one is star hash 812 then hash, and after feeding this number you will have to click on this emergency call. Then after the second USSD code is star hash 813 then hash, then after again you will have to tap on this emergency. Okay, now all the things has been done. Now after that go to the back and you will have to draw pattern locks here, continue. Okay, until you get forgot option. So you can see here you are getting here forgot option, simply you will have to tap on this forgot option. Now here you will have to feed that USSD 2 codes which I had dialed in the dialing pad. The first one was star hash 812 hash, and the second one was star hash 813 then hash. Then after you will have to tap on this verify. Okay, and when you will click on this verify, you can see here your pattern lock has been removed, and if you had used password or pin lock, that will also removed. Okay, so make sure you will have to use both USSD code very carefully. Okay, then after it will ask you to use new pin pattern password lock. So if you want to use new pin pattern and password lock with your Android smartphone, then you can use from this page, but right now I will go with this skip swipe option. So you can see here, my friend, my Android smartphone has been completely unlocked, and the main thing is that you can see here all the applications which were pre-installed in my smartphone as it is showing in my smartphone, like daily hunts, Candy Crush games. You can see here all the things showing as it is as in my smartphone. So this video is very useful for those customers who don't want to lose their smartphone data and don't want to expense their money to unlock their smartphone without visiting service center. So if your phone is also unlocked with the help of this method, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this method, then comment us where you are stuck in this method. Our team will definitely respond on your issues. Thank you so much.